Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Air Fryer Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting cookbooks to hit the shelves. If you're a Trader Joe's enthusiast and a fan of crispy, delicious food, then you're in for a treat. This cookbook is packed with recipes designed specifically for your air fryer, using ingredients you can easily find at Trader Joe's. Get ready to transform your kitchen and your meals with this must-have cookbook that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Number 5. Ninja AF 150 AMZ 5.5 QD Air Fryer. This air fryer has an extra-large 5.5 quart non-stick basket, perfect for cooking up to 3 pounds of food. It's great for quick weeknight dinners or meal prep. It features 5 customizable cooking functions: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This powerful 1,750-watt air fryer is BPA-free and built for everyday use. Enjoy up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying methods. You can still enjoy the flavor and crispiness of your favorite foods. The non-stick air fryer basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe. Cleanup is fast and easy, with no soaking or scrubbing required. With a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can gently dehydrate foods or quickly crisp them. It offers high-heat convection air circulation. Create homemade fruit chips, veggie snacks, and more. It uses low fan speed and low heat, ideal for making healthy dehydrated snacks at home. The box includes the Ninja AF 150 AMZ air fryer, the 5.5 QT non-stick basket, crisper plate, and a 20-recipe chef-inspired cookbook. It has everything you need to start your cooking journey. What we like. This air fryer boasts a large capacity, perfect for cooking family-sized portions. It also features multiple cooking functions, offering versatility in the kitchen. If you are looking for a convenient appliance that simplifies meal prep and offers a variety of cooking options, you should consider this. What people say. Always makes my food right, crispy, and perfectly. The XL capacity easily fits big portions like wings, and the 6-in-1 functions make cooking super versatile. The air fryer cooks beef, lamb, steaks, chicken in a third of the time. The meat succulent and juicy, melts in your mouth. Number 4. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Cooking Guide. This all-in-one guide is perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. It helps you quickly check cooking times and temperatures for various foods. It's a time-saving solution for your daily meal prep. The guide is waterproof, tear-proof, and easy to clean. It includes a hook for hanging and a magnet for your fridge. This essential accessory functions as both a reference and a cooking chart. Designed for real kitchens, this handy booklet eliminates guesswork. It improves cooking accuracy with clear instructions. Whether you're a busy parent or a cooking enthusiast, it simplifies air fryer use. This guide doubles as a cheat sheet with helpful tips. It includes steak doneness levels and frozen food handling. It enhances your cooking outcomes and boosts your confidence. This cheat sheet magnet is compatible with most air fryer brands. It's designed for healthy cooking and is a must-have kitchen gadget. Get professional results faster with this tool. What we like. This handy guide simplifies air frying with its quick reference charts and tips. It is also waterproof and easy to clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. If you are a beginner or someone who values convenience and wants to master air frying, it is a great choice. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook offers a variety of recipes. The cookbook has beautiful pictures. Number 3. Delish Party in an Air Fryer, 75+ recipes. This cookbook is packed with over 75 delicious air fryer recipes. It offers a wide variety of options, from classic snacks to healthy meals. The book is a convenient 160-page spiral-bound guide. It lays flat, making it easy to follow the recipes while you cook. Each recipe includes a photo, so you can see exactly what you're aiming for. This visual guide helps ensure your dishes turn out perfectly. You'll find guilt-free recipes for all your favorites. It allows you to enjoy crispy and crunchy food without the added fat. The book also includes pro tips and genius hacks. These helpful additions will elevate your air frying skills and improve your cooking. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes, from appetizers to main courses. The spiral-bound design makes it easy to use while cooking. If you like to experiment with different air fryer recipes and want to elevate your cooking skills, you should consider this. What people say. Every recipe is one that includes pantry items. I realized I could have this one for dinner or that one, on and on without having to make another trip to the grocery for an item I may never use again. Every single recipe has a full-page color photo so you know what your creation will look like. Lots of quick recipes, and the best is the pork chop, super easy and quick. Number 2. I love Trader Joe's Cookbook, 10th Anniversary Edition. This cookbook marks a decade of culinary inspiration. It features 150 recipes, all using ingredients from your favorite grocery store. Inside, you'll discover a wide variety of recipes. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for every palate. The recipes are designed specifically for Trader Joe's ingredients. You can easily find everything you need at your local store. This book is a celebration of the unique and wonderful products available at Trader Joe's. It's a must-have for any fan. This cookbook is a fantastic resource for home cooks. It provides inspiration and guidance for creating delicious meals. What we like. This cookbook is packed with 150 delicious recipes using ingredients from Trader Joe's. It's the 10th Anniversary Edition, so you know it's a classic. If you like Trader Joe's and enjoy cooking, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. This cookbook has some wonderful recipes for the ingredients found at TJ's, and many are easy and quick to make, especially when one has guests that drop in with no warning. The recipes are easy enough for the novice cook and yet won't disappoint the experienced cook because some of the combinations are inspired. Well written with easy to understand recipes based upon the food items you will find at Trader Joe's. Number 1. I love Trader Joe's Air Fryer Cookbook. Are you a fan of Trader Joe's and air frying? This cookbook is perfect for you. It features 150 amazing recipes using ingredients from the world's greatest grocery store. This cookbook is packed with delicious recipes. It's designed to help you create amazing meals with your air fryer, using your favorite Trader Joe's products. With this cookbook, you can easily prepare a variety of meals. It provides clear instructions and tips to make your air frying experience enjoyable. The recipes are designed specifically for Trader Joe's ingredients. It will help you make the most of your shopping trips and create tasty dishes. Get ready to explore a world of flavors. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious air-fried meals using the best ingredients from Trader Joe's. Enjoy. What we like. This cookbook is specifically designed for air fryer cooking, featuring 150 recipes using Trader Joe's ingredients. It focuses on air fryer cooking techniques. If you are a fan of Trader Joe's and want to create delicious air fryer meals, this is the perfect cookbook for you. What people say. Great air fryer recipes inside. Good quality with shopping lists. Easy to follow recipes, nothing overly complicated, and always delicious. Dietary restrictions are factored in too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.